Hi there and welcome back to my channel my friends. John here from Romania. I am an online entrepreneur and I like to share with you value information and ideas about making money online and online entrepreneur. Take your time for learning and make money right after that. Feel free to look around the channel and consider subscribing with bell notification on. I will show you for today's video how to make $5 with just 2 clicks. Stay until the end for a unique offer and more data. Imagine a scenario in which there's a site where individuals from everywhere the world are bringing in cash for finishing basic tasks from their PCs, or even cell phone gadgets. Imagine a scenario where they disclose to you that in the event that you observe the entire video, by the 8th minute from this video, you will know how you can make more than $5 just by clicking twice, which implies $2.50 or more per one single tick. It sounds unrealistic, correct? Indeed. Here's confirmation of a wide range of individuals that are as of now doing this for quite a long time, and bringing in cash each and every day from everywhere the world. Simply follow the means and stick with me until the end. What's more, you will figure out how you can do this also. However, just before we start, remember to drop a like to this video, leave an approval in the event that you love bringing in cash on the web. What's more, in the event that you haven't as of now, make certain to look around to this channel and subscribe with bell notification on, and at whatever point I have another technique to bring in cash on the web. So it very well may be one of the principal utilizes in that way, obviously, get the most cash flow. Alright, so in a moment, I will show you how you can approach this spot, click these various fastens and make more than $5, which implies or $2.50 per each snap. What's more, you can rehash this for essentially limitless occasions. Also, I will show you precisely how it functions. Presently remember that won't be much the same as sign in to a totally free site and afterward click, and procure a large number of dollars, and it doesn't work that way. You will have the option to make $2.50 per click, yet he won't have the option to do it like Clickwork or consistently or at all. So there will be some time when you will have the option to do this and some time where you won't have the option to do it. Is in any case, it's as yet extraordinary it actually works modestly. That is to say, regardless of whether you make simply $50 to $100 every day, it simply takes you several clicks to do it. No past abilities required and no experience, no compelling reason to advance anything. What's more, you don't need to make any items to do offshoot showcasing or at all. You don't require a site or at all. It's a genuine truly simple, it's truly basic, and I will clarify you bit by bit how you can do it. Alright, so the principal thing which you should do before you head toward that site, which you can simply click once and make or $2.50, you should head toward 5squid.com. This is over at the 5squid.com. 5squid is a truly comparative site to Fiverr. Furthermore, Fiverr is an outsourcing stage where regular individuals like me and you offer their types of assistance to other ordinary individuals or entrepreneurs or business visionaries. So here on 5squid, you have individuals offering types of assistance like logo plans, you have individuals giving spokesperson, promotion recordings, proficient voiceovers, and substantially more. Presently, don't stress, you don't need to finish those administrations yourself. You needn't bother with any plan abilities, you needn't bother with any past experience or uncommon abilities to do it. Is on the grounds that I'm in a real sense demonstrating how you can utilize a device, click twice and make more than $5. Furthermore, I'm additionally going to show you verification that it really works. What's more, indeed, on the off chance that you crunch the numbers, $5 for 2 ticks rises to $2.50 per each snap, which is an incredibly decent, and we will offer one single support that is in an extremely popularity. So many individuals are searching for that assistance, many individuals are purchasing acceptable help, however there's not a ton of specialists and 5squid giving it. So the contrast among Fiverr and 5squid is that there's significantly less rivalry in 5squid, and Fiverr is truly oversaturated with consultants. Also, there's simply thousands of specialists offering their types of assistance on Fiverr.com. However, here, on the off chance that you bounce on this on schedule, you will have the option to date to exploit that early access, and you can begin selling even as a total novice. So above all else, before I show that assistance, I simply need you to join to 5squid spec outstanding balance for totally free. You can do as such by approaching 5squid.com. At that point click the join button here. And afterward you should enter some essential data about yourself. You will join physically by entering your email address in this crate, or you can join by Facebook, Google or Twitter, which is much simpler and quicker on the grounds that it requires only a single click of a catch. So suppose I need to join with Facebook, I will simply click join with Facebook. Also, that is fundamentally it. I'm prepared to begin bringing in cash with this site. Presently, to set up your installment subtleties and to choose how you might want to get paid, how you need to money out your cash, you simply need to drift your mouse here where it says your username, then go to settings and simply add that or PayPal email address in DOSBox. So they can send you your installments when you begin bringing in cash. So on the off chance that you make $500 you can money out through PayPal, you can make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 you can money out the entirety of that your PayPal record and afterward promptly spend that cash on anything you desire to do. Furthermore, talking about that, let me know in the remarks why might you go through the cash made on the web? Could you travel? Would you purchase something for loved ones? Or then again, would you simply purchase something for yourself? Tell me in the comments down beneath. Presently the help which we will give is called Mockup. So on the off chance that you search for Mockup administrations, that is demonstrating that individuals are giving this, yet there's not a ton of rivalry, and Mockup simply intends to mask will put your plan, your logo, your labels on some other picture. So for instance, if some application designer needs to have an image this way, they will pay this individual, for instance, $5 or $10 or $20, you put their application on this photograph. So to plan it, either by utilizing Photoshop or whatever planning programming they're utilizing, yet you won't need to do yearly information and list work, since I will give you the apparatus which will permit you to make this work in only 2 clicks. So you can really make much something beyond $5. For 2 clicks, which is significantly more than $2.50 per click, at that point you have individuals losing their logos, and drawings and t-shirts on digital books, different items, signs, vols, and a whole lot more. What's more, these folks are getting deals, in light of the fact that it should be obvious, some of them even have right around 100 orders. So which is a ton of deals, on the grounds that only 1 out of every odd single individual will live a review. Also, for instance, this vendor here got a 100 deals, the cost of £5, which is around $6 or $7. So they've just made more than $500, just by offering the assistance alone. Furthermore, this is simply demonstrate that it really works. Also, you have individuals offering the assistance and bringing in cash from Bangladesh, from United Kingdom, from Pakistan, from South Africa, you have individuals from United States, Sri Lanka, Nigeria, Indonesia, etc. So individuals from everywhere the world are now bringing in cash by offering this assistance. Yet, presently it's the ideal opportunity for you to exploit this. Furthermore, to really make it with only 2 clicks with an outer site. So how might you complete this help only 2 clicks? Also, how might you really make more than $5, just by clicking it twice? Indeed, you should head toward a site called Playseat.com. This is over at the Playseat.com. This is an online instrument, which will permit you to make models, will simply do snaps to add an alternate logos, pictures, labels and plans on various model plans. So for instance, if a customer from 5 Squid advises you to put their picture on this present young lady's shirt, you can do as such with only 2 clicks. And afterward that customer will really pay you more than $5 for that assistance. Also, for you, that is not exactly a moment of work. Furthermore, I will show you precisely how that functions. So above all else, you should approach Playseat.com, then go to Mockups here. Also, you can see the entirety of this model classifications, which you can utilize. Suppose for instance, your customer discloses to you that they need to put their plan or their logo and their picture on some home style, you simply need to choose that class. Furthermore, you can experience these. Suppose for instance, your customer reveals to you that they need to put their picture on a sweeping put over a bed. What you can basically do is you can simply discover it here, click on that, and to begin planning, you simply need to embed their picture. They will send you a picture, you just approach this site. What's more, you can simply totally the snaps at this moment. So you should simply tap the upload from your gadget here. So hover your mouse, drift your mouse where it says insert image, and afterward click upload from your gadget. At that point find that picture, click on it. Also, that is it. Those are the two unique clicks. Presently you can alter it. So I'm going to change the size a tad. What's more, that is it, in under 60 seconds you have the plan expertly positioned on a picture. Furthermore, presently you can sell this for more than $5. So how basic was that? It resembled simply do basic clicks. I simply expected to click insert image and afterward click on a picture. What's more, that is it. Presently you can save this to your PC. Also, you can make more than $5 for this. Presently the thing would put it is that despite the fact that it will expertly accomplish all the work for you, their administrations are not totally free. It's not costly. It is anything but hundreds or thousands of dollars. Furthermore, you don't have to put away any cash forthright. So you can begin with $0 on the grounds that you can offer your first support once you sell your first help. You can simply take a screen capture of this and send it like that. It's clearly going to have a tad of watermark. Yet, you can do it for the main help, gather $5 or $6 or $7 or $10 relying upon how you the amount you've charged for that assistance. On the off chance that you charge $10, at that point you made $10 for this 60 seconds of work. Presently you can give this to your customer. Also, for the following customer you can simply join to their valuing plan, which is around $14 per month or something to that effect. Truly, it's around $15 per month and you will have the option to make a limitless mockups. So you can sell 1,000s of markups a month or just $15 for $15 every month. It's totally accomplished for you. Also, suppose for instance, you sell 1,000 of these at a cost of $5. That is $5,000 in income you've quite recently burned through $15 to complete everything in under 60 seconds. So it's very justified. Despite all the trouble, yet you don't need to put away any cash forthright. You can begin for totally free. You can perceive how straightforward it is. Simply transfer a picture that the customer sends you, either download this picture or simply take a screen capture for it. In the event that you would prefer not to put away any cash forthright and simply offer the support to your customer, you can rehash this and again for limitless occasions. You can offer 2 or 3 mockup at price of $6 or $7 to get your first orders. You can make discount and put your family to buy with your link, so 5 squid bring you in top of the sellers, and after that you will have sales every single day. Furthermore, it doesn't make a difference where you're coming from. You saw that it works for Nigeria, Philippines, Pakistan, United Kingdom, United States, Australia. It works everywhere on the world. Presently, for those that are genuinely keen on bringing in cash and building their own business, then I energetically suggest you look at Skillshare as an online e-learning local area with thousands of moving classes from which you can adapt nearly all that you can consider. You can acquire new abilities like website architecture, visual computerization, and third market thing, and a whole lot more. One of my number 1 classes in Skillshare from the business classification is setting is about online entrepreneur. In that class, he separates how you can recount your image story the correct way, and how anybody can fabricate and scale their online presence. He covers fabricating all the stages from Facebook and Instagram, completely through Pinterest and Tumblr. Presently, the fundamental explanation I truly love Skillshare isn't on the grounds that it can learn essentially everything, except for it appears to be the stage is curated just for realizing there are no exhausting and irritating as to intrude on you. Furthermore, what's shockingly better is you can get full admittance to the entirety of the Skillshare classes, from which you can learn 24 hours every day for under $10 per month in a real sense. Also, besides, initial 1,000 individuals to make a move and utilize the connection starting from the description beneath will get a free preliminary for a superior participation, so you can investigate the entirety of the classes. Join Skillshare and acquire practically any ability you can consider. I will likewise leave connects to several my number 1 classes that I took as of late, not many of them which I exceptionally, enthusiastically prescribe in the event that you truly need to improve your life and your online business also. I will show you right now one of my Instagram account with mockups created by me and list them on Teespring that get me $3,000 a month. My Instagram account is about fitness design and the online store name the same way. I trust you got some incentive out of this video. What's more, on the off chance that you did, remember to drop a like to leave an approval, and in the event that you haven't as of now, make certain to look around the channel and consider subscribing with bell notification on so you don't pass up any of the new substance. As usual, a debt of gratitude is in order for watching, and I will see you in the following recordings. John from Romania. I wish you all the best.